Metro Auto Auction Auto Sales Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get auto auctions wrong. They assume buying cars this way is risky or only for dealers. The surprising truth about Metro Auto Auction is how it offers a wide selection of vehicles at competitive prices, and you won't believe the tools they provide to make informed decisions. Here's how it works. Metro Auto Auction hosts regular auctions for cars, trucks, and specialty vehicles, both in person and online. They provide detailed vehicle histories, inspection reports, and real-time bidding platforms. For example, a buyer looking for a used car can research the vehicle's condition, set a maximum bid, and participate in the auction without leaving home. Most people get this wrong. They assume auctions are gamble. It's transparent, and proper research can secure great deals. Additional features include financing options, dealer support, and extended warranty availability. Users praise the accessibility of online auctions and the professional support provided for first-time buyers. However, there are considerations. Not every vehicle is perfect, so reviewing inspection reports is essential. Shipping or pickup logistics may require planning if purchasing from a distant location. Most people assume prices are fixed. They can vary widely depending on bidding activity. In conclusion, Metro Auto Auction is ideal for buyers seeking competitive pricing, variety, and transparency in vehicle purchases. With careful research, it's possible to find quality cars and trucks without paying retail prices. Subscribe for more honest reviews of auto auctions and car buying platforms.